Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is 3 Mixolydian jazz guitar licks. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, also share my channel to all your friends, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. So, what I'm talking about today is something like this. Next lick. And so on. These were the 3 licks. What we're going to learn, first of all, of course, the licks. Then we analyze the licks and transpose them to another chord. And also we learn how you can create your own Mixolydian licks. So what is Mixolydian? When do you use it? Mixolydian is one of the 7 main modes. Somebody's calling me. I'm not replying now. And it's, you probably already know it. It's a major scale with the intervals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1 in any position. I'm going to use the main position here, but it's not only that. Also, you just need to understand what it is. And you use it if you play B flat Mixolydian, which will be this. You use it only on a B7 chord. If you, as in this example, switch to E flat, then you need to transpose the whole thing to E flat. So here we started in the 6th fret, then you go to the 11th fret. It's the same thing up here, but you just need to transpose it, or you can stay in position, but for today we just transpose in another position. So let's get started. So we have learned that the Mixolydian mode, this one here, this one fits only on B flat 7. And not like as an example in blues. If you have a blues in B flat, then you can use the Mixolydian mode on the B flat 7. In this example, I have a really simple blues with B7, E flat 7, so B7 to E flat 7, and in this case you go from B flat Mixolydian to E flat Mixolydian. So okay, now the first lick will be this. It starts here on the 5th fret, 8, 5, 8, then a triplet, 5, 6, 7. Resolves here on the 6th fret, and then slide here in the 9th fret. So we more or less following the mode. With one exception, and that's really important, when it's the approach note on the triad. So, this one here. This is really extremely important if you want to sound bluesy with the Mixolydian mode. And you resolve here in the 6th fret. So, how you feel 1, 2, if you check the intervals of Mixolydian, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1, 2, 3. So this is the 3, and you always have an approach note on the 3. So you can do any kind of lick, just like with the approach note on this. Works brilliant. Just this. Then of course you have to move up when it goes to E flat. You need to know is the same thing up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1, 2, 3. So here 3 approach note here, all from flat 3 to 3. Okay, this is the most important movement. So this lick, first lick, contains an opening phrase, and then from here approach note, and resolving here. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. There's a typical mix. Also here, the slide here in the on the seventh is very typical. Okay, then you move the whole thing up here. It's the same thing, and it works really brilliant. Back to B flat. See, that's how we use Mixolydian licks, only on the chord which is marked. So that was lick number 1. Lick number 2 is a cool one, starts pretty simple. And now again, approach note. And now we make chromatic approach till up here. It's a very common method. And then we go back to the scale. So 1. And also this is a typical jazzy phrase. It's like a sloppy little thing. And then we go back to, and you always resolve on one of the, either on the root note, on the triad, or on the fifth. Well, not always, but as a basic step. When you go to E flat, you just move up here. Same thing up here. So let's see how that sounds. Sounds cool. Yep. This is very typical, this chromatic run through here. Really, the best way to work with licks, I don't play many licks honestly, but I learned from the licks which I needed to learn how you develop ideas. And now on the first lick we had the idea with approach on the third, and here again approach on the third, but then chromatic run through till the fifth. Okay, now let's see the third lick. That will be this one here. Now this is probably a not so easy one. So now we first play an arpeggio here, starting here in the fifth, 8. So third, fifth, 7, 9, 11. And this is a typical figure here. We want to go, instead of going directly to the triad, we make a double approach. See? Now go back, and now you hit the note, and then we continue to the arpeggio of the B7, to the B9, and then we just make the arpeggio down. Oh wait. And then we go back down. Okay, let me quickly check what I wrote here. Well, you don't need to play the exact thing, you know. It's just to get the idea of it. Ah, that was that one, the mistake. Sorry guys, I have migraine today. Yeah, again we make the double approach. That's this. Sorry, I forgot that before. And then after double approach, we want to go on this triad. We make an approach and then chromatic. So, and it's played in triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we go back down, we go to the 9, and then down the B7 arpeggio. And then it's finished. And so on. Really works cool. Now, what you're going to do with these 3 licks, learn them really by heart, analyze them as I showed you, and get the best out of this. And then you can start to, you know, work with these 3 licks, just take parts of it and just go for it and follow the chords. That's all you need to do. I'll show you. And so on. Yo guys, these were only 3 licks, but you can be really creative with this material. It's written down on paper here, if you want to download them, and the backing track. It's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, or you can just find out your own ways with these licks, which I just showed, and be creative with all that stuff. What more to say? That's basically all I wanted to say. If you love my channel, subscribe to it, share to all your jazz friends, and please also become a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Also, please write me a review on Google Maps, HPCrazy Guitar Academy, if you love the work I'm doing for you guys. Yeah, that's more about what I want to say. Me and Dr. Pink. And sorry guys, I really have migraine today. It's a little bit hard to teach when you have such a big head. So me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye.